Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this meet. This is a series of monthly meetups that we are doing, aiming for the CL21 actually. So for this evening, we have the MCs Jose Benjamin and Bhavna Kuntal. So they will be our MCs today, and host will be Vade and TG sir. So now I will give it to Jose and Bhavna to take over, so they can start with the introduction of the LGs.
Please,
I want to introduce Bhavana, who is going to our MC for today. Bhavana, can you please come into the screen and please welcome the participants to our inspirational meetup series 2.
Hello everyone. I am sure I'm audible. Hello.
yes, of course, it's audible.
Good evening everyone. I am Bhavna. I am a local guide from New Delhi and I have joined local guide group. I think it's been very recent for me and it has been a great experience to be a part of this community. And as we all know that today's meet is very special for all of us as today is the second inspirational meet and our this meet is going to help us a lot to get inspired for and prepared for the upcoming programs that the Google will have for all of us. So I am going to ask all of you to introduce yourselves one by one. So let's start the introduction. And Aditya Patil, please come forward and introduce yourself.
Greetings everyone and very good evening. My name is Aditya Patil. I'm a level 7 local guide from Mumbai, India. It's great to meet you all once again. And this is the moment I have been awaiting since very long, and I'm definitely sure I'm going to get some immense value out of this virtual meetup. So yes, cheers.
I'm sure, Aditya, we all are going to have a great time today, and as well as we are going to learn a lot from Salman. So I would request now Ajit sir to come forward and introduce himself.
Hi everyone, this is Ajit here. I'm level 7 local guide from Pune. Cheers everyone, this is a nice one. This is the second meeting I'm attending on this week. Thanks everyone. Thanks.
Thank you, Ajit sir. I'm sure that you're going to attend more of our meetings from now onwards.
Definitely.
I would request Anshu Singh to come forward and introduce himself.
Hello everyone. I am Anshu Singh from Delhi, a level 6 local guide. This is my second meetup. I am joining this meetup. Before that, I have joined one meetup that is during third phase of lockdown in India. That is on Antakshari in Hindi. So I think this would be a great learning experience for me. Cheers.
Cheers, Anshu. Now I would request Aslam Muhammad to unmute himself and introduce himself.
Hi everyone, level 9 local guide from Hyderabad. Nice to join another meetup. Thank you. All right, my daughters are also excited to join this meetup.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Thank you, Aslam. And Eid Mubarak.
Aslam ji is going to, Bhavna,
Yes,
Aslam ji is going to address us in the month of July. So just for information.
Oh, wow.
He's getting over.
Now I would request Bijon Adams to come forward and introduce himself.
Hi everybody, I am Bijon, level 8 local guide from Kokrajhar, Assam, India. Thank you very much.
So one request to Bhavna, then just kindly tell that we are going by the alphabetical order. LGs can get ready and then we can come over because we have more than 50 now. So let's go a little fast. Bhavna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chananarth Shivapruk. if I'm not pronouncing your name right.
Yes, I'm Shanana Chilpuk. My nickname is Ant. I'm a level 7 local guy from Thailand. Thank you for a quick one.
Oh, great, great. Welcome. I
One
would
of the
request
most
Devi.
popular, one of the most popular LGs in LG Connect. Thank you, and over, Bhavna.
Thank you. Devi ma'am, come forward and introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Devi. I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia. I'm level 9. It's glad to meet you all, and I always join your meetup because I always get new info, new knowledge. Thank you all for update some knowledge about local guides. Cool meetup.
Thank you, Devi ma'am. Dr. Rishi Muni Dwivedi. Dr. Rishi Muni Dwivedi, kindly unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
Rishi Muni Dwivedi from Chennai, level 9 local guide. Thank you.
Thank you. And our favorite, Ivade. Ivade, please come forward.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Ewa J from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm a level 7 local guide and I'm very happy to have you here today.
Let me tell you, Ivade, you are looking so beautiful today.
Thank you, baby.
Okay. And best of luck as you are the host for today. And now I would request Gilbert Jessar to come forward and introduce himself.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Gilbert Jess from local guide level 6, a local guide from Tamil Nadu, India. Thank you.
Thank you. GM Saktivel. Mr. GM Saktivel. Okay, Mr. Golam Agam.
Hello everyone, it's me Ghulam Azam. I am from Doha, Qatar. I'm level 10 local guide. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Govind Jha.
Hello everyone. My name is Govind and I am from Delhi, level 8 local guide.
Thank you, Govind. Now I would request Guru Krishna Priya ma'am to come forward and introduce herself.
Hello everyone. I am Guru Krishna Priya, level 7 local guide. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I am a teacher by profession. Yeah.
Oh.
And I'm an art teacher and I love doing arts and crafts.
That's great. And I would also request you to take my name once for Ivade.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, let me do the introduction very speed. I would like to invite Isha. Isha, please come forward and introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi all. I'm Isha. I'm currently based in London. I'm Google Local Guide level 7. Very nice to meet you all here. Thank you.
Thank you, Isha. Next, Jay Patel. Please introduce yourself.
Guys, what's up? My name is Jay Patel and I'm from Gujarat State, India. My local guide level is 6. I'm very happy to be here.
Yeah, we are also very happy to have you here, Jay Patel. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Jeroen. Jeroen.
Yes, hello everyone. Greetings from Spain. I'm still here in my car at the car park with the COVID crisis, and I'm a level 8. And nice to see you all. Have a good
Welcome.
meeting.
Thank you. Welcome once again, Jeroen ji. And I would like to invite our admin team member, Karan Chotlani. Please come forward and invite yourself.
Hello, I am Karan Chotlani, local guide level 8. Eid Mubarak to everyone out there. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Karan. And I would like to invite Kishore Mali to introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, Kishore Mali from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, level 8 local guide.
Thank you. Madhusudan Arithe. Madhusudan Arithe.
Hi everyone, this is Madhusudan Aithe. I'm from Hyderabad, India. I'm level 9 local guide. Thanks everyone. Thanks Aslam Bhai for inviting. Thank you.
Okay. Muhammad Abdul Fazi.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Fasi. I'm originally from Hyderabad, but I have been living in Alphabet city.
Okay. Mukesh Damhu. Mukesh Damu.
Hello, sir. I am from Managadh, Rajasthan, India, and local guide 6.
Okay. Thank you. Mukesh. I would like to invite our senior local guide Naresh Darji. Please introduce yourself. Naresh Darji. Okay, we can move to Anita. Nita, please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Neeta BC from New Delhi, India. I'm a level 9 local guide. Thanks.
Thank you for joining, Nita. And I think Naresh Darji is back. Please, Naresh Darji, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Naresh Darji, level 9 local guide from Gujarat, India. Okay.
I would like to invite Nitish Gautam to introduce yourself. Please unmute your mic and introduce. Nitish Gautam. Nitish Gautam from Agra. Okay. We can move to Nyai. Nyayo Ajidar, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Nyai, level 10 local guide from Indonesia. Thank you.
Thank you, Nyai, for joining with us. I would like to invite Palniappan. Mr. Palniappan, please introduce yourself. Okay, we can move to Prakash Panchal.
This is Palniappan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Prakash Panchal from New Delhi, level 10 local guide. Thank you. Thank you all of
Thank you. Thank you, bro, for joining. And I would like to invite Pramod on screen.
Yeah. Hi all. I am Pramod from South India, Kerala. I am Google local guide level 8. Thank you all.
Thank you, Pramod. Please, Palniappan sir, please introduce yourself.
Hello, this is Palniappan from Chennai. I am a level 7 local guide. Thank you.
He's a very senior local guide and community builder. Thanks a lot, Palniappan sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Seeing you after a long time, Palniappan sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Rotri W. Absari, please introduce yourself. If I am not wrong.
Yes. Ratri. Hello, you may call me Ratri. I'm a local guide level 8 from Indonesia. Nice to have you. Nice to be here.
Thank you, Rotri. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
I would like to invite Ria Matthew from Kerala to introduce yourself. Ria Matthew.
Hello everyone, I'm Ria Matthew. I'm a level 8 and I'm from Mumbai, India. And happy Eid everyone. Thank you.
She is going to be our June, chief guest. Thank you, Ria.
Thank you, Ria, for joining today with us.
Thank you, Travis.
Rosie Kohli, ma'am, please introduce yourself. Rosie, ma'am. Okay. We can move to Oti and Arul Prakasam. Sir, please introduce yourself. Arul Prakasam, sir.
Good evening. I am Arul Prakasam, level 9 local guide from Chennai.
Thank you, sir. Rosie Kohli, ma'am, please.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Rosie Kohli, level 7 local guide from Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sesant, please introduce yourself. Okay. Sabir Sawan. Shabir Sawan.
Hello. Hello, I'm
Yes.
Sabir Shahan from Bangladesh, level 8 local guide, and Eid Mubarak to all.
Thank you. Thank you, Sabir, for joining. Sandeep Nirvan, please introduce yourself. Sandeep Nirvan.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Sandeep Nirvan from Ahmedabad. I'm local guide level 7. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep. Satyaraj, please introduce yourself.
Hi, myself Satyaraj, level 8 local guide from Tamil Nadu, India. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyaraj, bro. Satyamurthy, I would like Satyamurthy.
Hello everyone, I am Satyamurthy from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, level 6 local guide. Thank you for the invite.
Thank you, Satyamurthy. Senthil Abhishek Kumar, please introduce yourself. Senthil.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Yeah, this is Senthil Abhishek Kumar. You're from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Thank you.
Thank you for joining, Senthil, bro. Sarvari Raji. Sarvari Raji, if I'm not wrong, I'm pronouncing it correct.
Hi, I'm Sharvari and I'm from Pune and I'm local guide level 6.
Okay, thank you, Sarvari. And I would like to invite Shiv Yogi to introduce yourself. Shiv Yogi.
Hari Om. Myself Shiv Pandey. I'm level 8 local guide from Haridwar, Uttarakhand, but now I am in Nepal.
Okay, thank you for joining all the way from Nepal. I would like to invite Sola Bello. Sola Bello, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Shola Bilu. I'm Nigerian actually, but I'm calling now from Accra, Ghana. I've been working here for some months. I'm level 7 local guide. Nice to meet everyone and look forward to the meet. Thank you.
Thank you, Sola. And I would like to invite Shreya Barai. Please introduce yourself, Shreya Barai.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Barai. I'm local guide level 8 from Mumbai, India. It's nice to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Sophie, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone from New Delhi, local guide 7 here, and happy to join you all.
Thank you, Sophie. Soumendra Prasad, please introduce yourself.
You left Shruti.
Okay, Shruti Didi from Mumbai, please introduce yourself.
Namaskar, I am Shruti from Mumbai, level 10 local guide. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti Didi. Soumendra Prasad.
Good evening, all. I am Soumendra Prasad from local guide level 7 from Chennai, India. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumendra Prasad. Tejal ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you. I am Tejal Chaya from Valsad, local Google Guide, level 8. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to invite Terry Goodman to introduce yourself. Terry.
After that, we will do it later.
Okay, Varghese Jose, please introduce yourself. Varghese Jose.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm Varghese Jose from Kerala, India. I am a level 9 local guide. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
The further announcement or introduction of LGs will be after the program. So I invite Guru Krishna Priya to make the announcement. So just before that, I would like to inform you this announcement is regarding that is regarding the Connect Live initiative by Team India, what we are doing, the weekly meetup and monthly meetup and etc. And 2, that is there are 2 LG speakers ready with us. That is for June, Ria Matthew, and July will be Aslam Muhammad from Hyderabad. Ria Matthew is from Mumbai. She is a Malayali, but she will be introduced later. Over to Guru Krishna Priya.
Thank you, sir. I am Guru Krishna Priya, and I am going to give you a brief about CL21 Grooming Initiative. The CL Grooming Initiative by Team India is aimed at the overall skill development of global local guides as it pertains to Google Maps and LG Connect while speaking Connect Live 2021 in focus. In order to achieve this aim, we organize weekly meetups, the topics for which are selected from the questions we receive from LGs, and monthly meetups. Of the weekly meetups, we have completed 6 so far and will hold the 7th next Saturday on the 30th of May 2020. Of the 12 monthly meetups scheduled for CL21 grooming, we have completed monthly meetup 1 in April, for which we had Archit Oja, and we are holding the 2nd monthly meetup today, where we have Salman Nawaz. And about speakers for June and July. At our next monthly meetup, slated for the 14th day of June, we will have none other than LG Ria Matthew, one of the youngest Connect Live 2019 attendees, to share with us and inspire us. LG Ria Matthew is a travel and food blogger, and she has a blog named The Foodopia on Instagram as well as WordPress. Her hobbies include swimming, cooking, writing, and she has a passion for traveling. And in July, we have CL27 attendee, our LG Aslam Muhammad, who will be sharing his experience. LG Aslam Muhammad is from Hyderabad. He has done his master's in administration and works as an operations manager in an MNC. On behalf, yes, Jose? On behalf of the core team members, I thank you for staying with me. Now I request our co-host Ivade to take over. Ivade, please. It's your turn now. Hello.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Priya ma'am. I think you've just done a very great job of telling us about the next speakers we'll be having. Hello, everyone. Are you happy to be here? Can you unmute your mic and tell me? Are you happy to be here?
Sure, I'm happy meeting with you.
Yeah, of
course.
Great. Wow. Thank you very much. My name is Ewade from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm very delighted to be here. I'm here to introduce the guest speaker of today. He's someone we all know. Is Salman Nawaz. He's a software engineer from Tamil Nadu. He currently works in Bangalore. He's a level 8 local guide, a Connect Live 2018 attendee, a Google Street View trusted photographer. Salman loves, among other things, cooking, singing, photography, traveling around Bangalore to create virtual tours of businesses. Salman's message to us is, listen to others, but decide by yourself. The path everyone follows is not necessarily the right path. Choose your own path. Whatever you do it because you want to. Please join me as I welcome Muhammad Salman Nawaz. Can you unmute your microphone and welcome our guest with a resounding sound of applause? Thank you.
Salman, please come in.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm Mohammed Salman Nawaz. I'm a civil engineer. So I started my career as a software engineer 2 years ago. So I'm a level 8 local guide and a strictly trusted photographer. So thank you for joining today. So I'm so glad that everyone joined here. So I'll be sharing my local guide journey, especially the Connect Live 2018 part with you guys. Hope you all like it. So without any delay, let's start. So let me tell you how I became a local guide first. So it was an interesting story. So when I was in my final year of my college, right, when I was pursuing civil engineering in 2017, so I visited Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a city some 600 kilometers from my hometown. So I visited Hyderabad and we stayed in a hotel, and the hotel stay was really good. Then being a civil engineer student, what I had done, the exterior look of the building was really good. So I took the photo. This is the photo I took. So I took it because I could design it in the in the designing software. Then what happened? I got a notification from Google saying that could you please add it to Google Maps so that it will be helpful like that. I had no idea at that time. I clicked yes. Then a week later, when I was in my hometown, back in my hometown, I got a mail from Google saying like your photo helped so much people in Google Maps. It got 1,000 views in a week itself. Would you become a local guide like that? So that mail, right, that changed me. So it was really interesting for me. I became a local guide right away. Can we go to next slide? Okay. So what happened? I was I was really inspired and I started contributing more and more. So what I had done, my focus initially was only the points. Okay. So I was thinking of getting higher levels as early as possible in 2017. So that time the level was totally different. We had only till level 5. So if we put a review, we'll get only one review. Okay. That time what happened? Whenever I see any shop, right, I think as a point at that time. So I think like, okay, this shop is there. If that shop is not available in map, I will get additional points for adding also. If the photo is not there, if I put 5 photo at least, I would get more. And if I put a review, I will get more. So my focus was totally map getting point. Then I will tell you one example what happened. I used to take a video of roadside when I was traveling. Why I used to take is that after taking a video of the roadside, I will come back to my home, put it in a VLC player or something, then take a screenshot of every shop comes on the roadside, then add it to Google Maps. That much I was obsessed with the points initially. Then as time goes by, right, I used to see other local guest profiles in Google Maps. Then I understood how much quality matters in Google Maps. So my focus towards the points changed it towards the quality. Then can we go to next slide? Okay. So how I got inspired towards Connect. So that time in Google Maps, I saw that it was still level 5 only that time. So if you reach level 5, right, if you get 500 points for level 5, you will get the opportunity to attend the summit. It was written in Google Maps. So I was totally shocked. I didn't know the word summit itself that time. Then I googled it. What summit is related to local guide. Then I understood there is a summit, there is an event called Summit, happens every year in Google, USA. So they will select the top local guides from all over the world. So then I saw the Summit 2016 video. So that video, right, that inspired me throughout. So when I saw that video, right, one thing I was totally impressed. The thing is that in that video, there were local guides saying that, see, we know only through Connect, we have chatted in Connect, but meeting them in person, it is really a great experience. Like that, it was they were telling in the interview of Summit. Then I was thinking on myself, how come a person can be close to some other person virtually without meeting them in a person? Because I never, that time, whoever friend I had is the friends who I know through physically, like when I met in college or school like that. So I was totally like, how could it will be possible? That is how I started started my journey in Connect. Can we go to next slide? Can we go to next slide? Okay. So what happened? You can see here. So in that Connect, right, I used to create a post initially. This was my few of the initial posts. If you see here, I have posted for 3,000 views in my photos. That means in that like I was like a new local guide that time, and I got some 3,000 views for my overall photos, and I was really shocked and I was happy. I don't know there are people with millions of views. So what I have done, I posted it in Connect. That was my initial post. But in the comment section, right, there were so many local guide and moderator appreciating for my contribution. They were telling, you are doing great, Salman. 3,000 views is a really great thing. You go on like that. Then I saw their profile. Then I understood they have some millions of views in their profile. But even then, they are not telling me like, see, this is nothing like that. When they told me that you are doing great, right? I was like, I am at the right place, man. I will go on like this only. So that is how my journey towards Connect started. I get to meet so many like-minded people. So let me tell you about the meetups. If you see here, I see Connect as my virtual home only. So let me tell you one more thing. I am a person who didn't come up with great ideas in Connect. There are different boards, but my ideas are like I can't able to create a different post in Connect which can attract others. So what I used to do, I used to post meetups. Through meetups, I wrote like obviously I wrote recap, right? That recap kept me very active. So I hosted so many meetups, and meetup really helped me to change myself. So many of my skills improved through meetups. When I get to meet new people, right? So I totally changed by meeting new people and meeting meeting a local guide, right? It changed inside me. So it was really amazing experience. I come up with a recap. I can able to share my local guide experience with them. I can learn their stories. So it was really good feel. So can we go to next slide? Okay. So this was the poster which I initially posted in Google Maps. So in Connect, it was from 2017. You can see the left side was the photo where I hosted the first ever meetup in Vellore. Then the right side, if you see the right side, that was some knowledge sharing meetup I hosted. I was totally into the program. So I was totally inspired. I posted the about my meetups, everything. Then the appreciation I got from the Connect moderators, Googler, and Connect friend, right? It really encouraged me. That is what I was doing all the way. Can we go to next slide? Okay. How meetups helped me? So it gave me so many new friends. I could able to meet so many new people, and I can make new friends. I'm quietly an introvert person, so I sometimes feel difficulty in making new friends. But local guides are my closest friend. If I see a local guide, right, I will go along easily with them. So it doesn't I doesn't feel any hurdle when I approach any local guide. So that is how it impacted in me. Then okay, then it is about Summit 2017. So in few months itself, Summit 2017 application started. Then I applied for Summit 2017, but I didn't got selected. I was totally looking forward to getting selected, but I got quite disappointed after the result, because that time my my perspective, my thinking was totally different. Then my Connect friends, right, they encouraged me. They told me, you go on, Salman, you are doing really great. It doesn't mean that if you didn't get selected, you are not doing good. You are doing good. But there are some good, deserving people more than you. That is why you are doing great. You continue. Then that is enough for me. I started contributing again and again. It was really good. Then I saw the live stream video of Summit 2017 in my home itself. I think in Facebook it was streamed. Then I was virtually seeing my friends who I know through Connect. Okay. Yeah, Ivan is here. Yeah, Paul is here, like that. Then came the Connect Live 2018. Throughout the year went by hosting meetups only because of my connections. So overall year I was hosting many meetups for my Connect friends. Then what happened? Some of my friends requested me to apply for 2018. Then I was quite stuck with my office work. Even then I applied it. After that, I took the video of the Connect Live. Then I was thinking that the last day will be tomorrow. So I will apply on the last day tomorrow, because I was stuck with my office work. So I was continuously working for 24 hours that time. So overnight, then the next day, I came back to my home. Then I got a message from in WhatsApp from a local guy. I didn't met him. I just know his name. His name is, I think, Avinash. He told me did you apply for Connect Live? I told him, no, I will be applying tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last day I will apply. Then he told me, no bro, please apply today. There are some 6 hours only left. I think you misunderstood. Then I visited, I understood, okay, just 6 hours left. I got confused with the date. Then I was totally tired that time. I was like, after working for 24 hours, I was totally tired. I thought, okay, anyhow, I will apply it, whatever happens. Then I started editing the video on the one side. I was writing the post on the other side. Then parallelly, I posted it. Then it was some 20 minutes left. The application closure has to happen. So before 20 minutes, I saw the success message. Like, thank you for applying. Then it was quite good. Can we go to next slide? Okay. Then the result came. So I was like coming back from my office. That was my birthday, June 12. I was coming back from my office. Then my Connect friend Osama, he messaged me and he told me, please check your email, Salman. Many local guide are receiving their selection emails for Connect Live. Then I saw the mail. Then when I saw there was a mail about Google Local Guide, I thought like, hey man, it is about thank you for applying for the Connect Live. So I opened the mail. It was telling like, thousands applied, you made the cut. I was totally shocked on seeing the mail. I can't believe initially. Okay, so I was totally happy. Like I was thinking, I can't express what happened that time. It was really good. Then I was like, I called Osama bro and I talked with him. Then unfortunately he wasn't selected 2018, but he went on 2019 to Connect Live. Can we go to next slide? Okay, Connect Live 2018 preparation. So what happened? I am going to skip the visa part because I will be talking about the visa part at the end of this experience. So let us see. I got the visa now. After getting the visa, Google Local Guide team gave me the visa like a flight option. What flight I would I would get. So I gave them the time I want to reach and depart the SFO. Based on that, they gave me few flight options. I selected the flight which goes to San Francisco via Paris and coming back to Bangalore via Amsterdam. And usually, to tell one thing here, Google allows us to reach and depart the SFO earlier to the event itself, like earlier or after the event. So your trip has to cover the event, but you can reach and depart earlier or later. So what I have done, I chose to arrive 48 hours prior to the event. Then I will be leaving at the end, after the event itself, because I can able to spend time in the SFO. Usually all the local guide used to do that one only. Some reach earlier, some reach some depart later. Some used to reach earlier as well as depart later. One main thing, but Google can't give you they can't give you pick up and drop option. That is the one thing to share. Okay, can we go to next slide? Okay, this is me at the Paris. I took a photo and let me tell you one thing here. This was my first flight experience. I never been in domestic flight also. This was the first time for me to be inside the airport. So I was all alone by myself. It was really adventurous and I enjoyed it. Next. Yeah, this was the flight I came. Okay, then this is the hostel. Okay, so hostel expense, let me tell you. Once I reached San Francisco, right, there is some interesting part. So what I have done, since I reached earlier, Google is not giving me the pickup option so that I can reach because I am reaching earlier. So what I have done, I reached 2 days earlier, I have to take care of where I am going to stay. And let me tell you one thing, we can reach earlier, we can depart late, but only Google will sponsor you for the that event days. Prior to or later the event, you have to take care of your own expenses. So I booked a hotel online and I planned to stay there. So I went to that hotel by taking a train. Thanks to Steve Anna. Steve Anna was a local guide. He attended 2017 also. You know him. He's a Connect moderator. And after his amazing guidelines, what I have done, I stayed in that same hostel where he stayed in San Francisco for 2 days. He gave me the he gave me the hope to reach the hostel all by myself. From the airport, right, I took the train by myself and I reached the hostel by myself. I reached the nearby stop to my hostel in the train and I walked for some distance and I reached the hostel. For that, I used the amazing feature in Google Maps, that offline Google Maps feature. With that, I downloaded the San Francisco offline map. Then I walked for some distance and I reached by myself. Then we explored the Golden Gate Bridge and Fisherman's Wharf that day. So let me tell you the timing, how we reached it. So I reached San Francisco by 2 p.m. After 2 p.m., coming out from the airport, it took me some 3:30 or 4. I traveled for 1 hour, and when I reached the hostel, it was some 5 p.m. of the evening. Then we in a half an hour I came back after getting fresh in the hostel, and me and Steven left the hostel to explore San Francisco Golden Gate that night. So this is me like taking a train from the airport and going to the nearby stop for the hostel. Next one. Okay, this is me like walking all the way to the streets so that I can reach the hostel by seeing that offline Google map. So this is the hostel estate. It was a 4-sharing room. It took me some 8,000 rupees for 2 nights. Can we go next slide? Okay. See, me and Steven like went to this one Golden Gate Bridge. What we have done in online app itself, we like took a ticket. So 1-day ticket you can take. It took some $5 for us. We took an online ticket. With that you can go anywhere in San Francisco and take any buses. So I took a ticket. Then for $5 in online, we took a bus. We reached the Golden Gate Bridge. The climate was awesome. So we explored this like Golden Gate Bridge. Thanks to Steven, he helped me to be to not feel as a tourist. He made me feel as a local guide. So because I explored it, right, I walked all the way, took the train, walked all the way to hostel. It was like I learned so many things in SFO. Next slide, can we see? Yeah, this is Steven. Steven was taking video. It was amazing with him. Next one. Okay, I will tell you why I call him Steve Anna. Anna in Tamil is called brother. Okay, so he talks Tamil. We used to talk Tamil only there. So I call it in short as Steve Anna. So this is the photo we took in that night. Climate was so chill. Next one. Okay, so after that we went to this Fisherman's Wharf, the Pier 39. We saw sea lions. It was good. Then we went back to the hostel. We stayed that night. The next day morning, we went to this Baker's Bridge. It was the next day morning. So I need to say one thing here. So when the next day morning, I thank Steve Anna because he gave me one like amazing breakfast. He made me egg omelette, I remember, with parota, I think. It was wonderful. I was really craving for that because in flight and all, that French food, it was okay for me because I was having Indian dishes, right? So having parota and egg omelette, right, by his hand, it was really good. Can we go to next slide? This was the Baker's Bridge. So you can see Steve and I there. That was the Golden Gate which we went yesterday. Next one. Okay, meeting connections. So usually if you reach earlier and depart later, right, many local guides used to host an event there, like a photo walk or like a map editing, like that. So what we planned is like Connect moderator Paul Parulino is hosting a 360 walk in that day. So after visiting the Baker Bridge, we went to that photo walk meetup. There I used to see the Connect Live attendees who like came earlier to explore San Francisco. Many came there. Then we were starting and exploring the SFO during that 360 walk. In between, we had a Google user experience meeting at Google San Francisco office. So only to the people who are reaching earlier or departing late, right, they were having it. So I attended that one and joined back the 360 walk. Can we go to next slide? You can see Ilangavan Anna here. He is Connect moderator and local guide from Sri Lanka. It was amazing meeting him. I know him through Connect. Like it was great to meet him in person. I can see many local guides there. Next one. Okay, this is at the end. Next one. This is the meetup. Next one. It was happy to see India's flag there. I think some India's hotel there in San Francisco. Next one. Okay, this is after the meeting, right? We went to our hostel. Many were staying some different hostels there. So we went to hostel. Then the next day morning, we checked out the hostel and moved to the hotel Hyatt Centric. Hyatt Centric is an amazing hotel. I think 4-star hotel. So this is what Google is giving us to stay during the event. So we moved to the hotel. There we can able to see so many Connect Live attendees coming, who are coming directly only for the event, right? They will be coming from the airport, which Google is giving them pick up and drop. They're reaching directly this hotel. So I can able to see many local guides coming. I saw Arshit coming there and Priyanka coming there from India. So they were coming directly to the event. It was amazing meeting them, and there were so many different local guests who reached there and Googlers were there. Okay, so the thing is like many were sharing gift also, whatever gift they got, right? Many were in traditional dresses. So this is the room they had again. It was individual room for everyone. It was amazing room, big room. I enjoyed a lot. Next one. Next. Okay. So this one is that after moving to Hotel Hyatt, I was having a meetup at Aquarium of Bay. So what I have done, I went to the Aquarium of Bay. There I took a lot of photos for the meetup. Then after that I came back to the hotel. Okay, this was the Aquarium of Bay. It was really amazing to see different fishes. Next one. There was underwater passage also. We can enjoy a lot. After that, opening party started. So there were play zone, campsite. Many were writing postcard to the friends. Many were taking photos, sharing the gift. It was amazing meeting the Googlers for the first time, and they were giving us Connect Live T-shirt, bags, and so many gifts. And they gave us the visa fees also. So we have to apply for visa by ourselves. That money they will give it there, or you can receive it through online also. So I opted to get it there. Okay, so I can spend it there itself. I got it in dollar so that I can spend it there. So I got my visa amount there. Then you can see here in the party hall, many were like talking, chatting, taking photos, sharing their experiences. Next one. This was my favorite game there. So if you see here, like you can see two persons standing here. Opposite, it will be same. There will be one more box. Two players will be standing. They will be keeping this bag. So you have to put it in that local guest logo. You can see the hole, right? There you have to put that. So we were playing. On the right side, you can see the white T-shirt, right? He's Chaman Mohan. He's a local guest from Cambodia, I think. Not sure. So I was meeting him for the first time, and me and him was playing that game this side. Okay. So what happened, right? He will be throwing it. Then he will be shouting it. Suddenly, if it went in the hole. Then I saw him two times or three times. I also joined him. Then I also shouting with him. Then many were like looking what these guys are doing like that. So it was
sorry for the interruption. Nawaz, how you shouted? Shall we see?
Oh, yo, we are shouted like anything. I was like, no, I can't shout. Yo, like that, something like that. We are shouting. Other locals, they were like seeing us. What happened to these guys? So it was good. It was the first time meeting someone. Then also we got attached easily. So then we were drawing with these stones. So I draw that India's flag there. It was amazing. Next one. Okay. See, this is the India's team. In that you can see Himanshi at the left down. Then Priyanka, Arshit Bhai. Then Professor Arun sir. Then me. Then Vandana from Bangalore. Next one. Okay, these are the other local guests. Everyone was like taking photos and enjoying. You can see Paul Budiono from Indonesia. Next one. You can see Arshit Bhai, Radhi from Saudi Arabia. Next. Priyanka and me. Next. Other local guests sharing their experiences. Next. Okay, Googler. So this is Maria Makomsky. So Mara Makomsky was like addressing the Connect Live, welcoming us. It was great to hear from her. Then Tracy talked there. It was really good. Next. You can see all of us sitting there. Next one. Okay, next. This is the group photo where you can see on the front side all the Googlers. On the back side, it was us in the previous slide. Okay, so front side was the Googlers, on the back side it was us. So this is the gift I carried to give it to everyone. So India local gets back. I gave it to almost to everyone, but I missed so many. Next one. This is Julian. He is gifting this keychain of Eiffel Tower to everyone. Then next one. This is the gift I received from Googlers and like connections. Next. Okay. So the next day, right, we went back to room. The next day, there were different sessions on different features of Google Maps, upcoming plans for Google Maps. Okay. So there was different sessions on different features of Google Maps, plans on upcoming features of Google Maps. Then after every session, right, there was question and answer session at the end of the e-talk. Googlers interviewed a few of the Connect moderators on the stage. So that was also helpful. Then a photo walk meetup was hosted by local guest team. And if you want, you can be in the hotel itself and take time to share your thoughts with the Googlers. So what I done, I opted for like staying in the hotel and talk with the Googlers to share my thought about Google Maps. So can we go to next slide? Okay, this was just a photo taken during one of the session. Next one. Okay, this was the session given by Google Divan about accessibility and the importance of accessibility. It was amazing. Next one. Can we see the next slide, please? Karan bhai? Yeah. So this is the photo where like we local guys were sharing, asking questions after every session. Next one. Can we see the next slide? Karan bhai? Yeah. This is the time where that day itself, after the session, there were party. In that party, you can able to write a letter that will be sent by the Googler to the address whatever you have written. So it is like a postcard. So you can share your thoughts with your friend. Many were writing letter to their close friends, close connect friends, their family, relatives. So you can write it to any part of the world. So the letter will be sent to them. Next one. So I wrote some letter to my home itself so that they can believe, right? I really went to San Francisco. So I wrote to my brother, then to my father itself, then to some of my connect friends. Okay, presentation please, Karan bhai. So this was the photos taken during the party. Can you come earlier photo, Jose bhai? Yeah, yes sir. Yeah, this is Hiroyuki from Japan enjoying that ice cream. So food was amazing, guys. So it was really, really good. Since I am a Muslim, right, I have to consider about non-veg, whether it is halal or not. So it was halal, but I was mostly focusing on veg foods. So ice cream and all, 3 times I was having. It was buffet, so it was really good. Then next one. Okay, next. Some of the people are waiting to see the next one. Okay, the next day, after the party, we went back to the hotel. Then the next day, it was we have to travel to Google headquarters. So we have to leave the hotel Hyatt and travel in a bus for 2 hours. So many went in bus, many went in car. So some Googlers took a few of the local guide attendees in a car, then went to the what we can say, Googleplex. Okay, some left in bus. So I remember I traveled in bus or car. I am quite confused with that. I think I traveled in bus only. So then we traveled for 2 hours. So I was seeing that roadside. It was wonderful. So we reached the Mountain View. Then we went to the headquarters. It was totally big. Their food buffet and having connect friends and local guests came right. Being at Google's headquarters, it was amazing. Then there was a session by Jen Fitzpatrick. She is she's a senior most Googler. I think she is the first 30 of the Googlers. Okay, who joined Google. So she is the vice president of product and engineering team at Google. She took a session about Google Maps and she told about the local guest program, how it is impacting in the world. So it was inspiring. Then there was different session by Googlers on different features. Okay. So can we go to next slide? Okay, this was the photo in Googleplex. Next one. Okay, next one. Arshit bhai and me. This is with Connect moderator Julian. Next one. This is with David Haino. Next one. Okay, food was amazing. See, I was mostly focused with the veg food. That's why. So this is Jen Fitzpatrick during the question answer session. Next one. Yeah, one thing to mention here. French fries was my favorite there. I was having only French fries most of the time. So that is the time I got so attached with food French fries. Next one. Okay. After this session, right, there were different group sessions happened. That means before the event itself, we planned for different group session to happen. So I have opted for different topic. So with that topic, we have grouped into different parts. Then we send to respective sessions. Okay. So I attended photography sessions, street view sessions, discussion on Google Maps, etc. After the sessions, we visited Google Store. So if you want, you can buy anything there. And we visited Google's Android launch. That was amazing. Next session slide, please. This is the photo during the photography session. It was wonderful, guys. I learned so much about how to take food photography. Okay, so we practically practiced also. This is the photo taken by me. Yeah, they appreciated for that. I showed them. They appreciated it. Next one. This is during the street view session. So in the center you can see there is a Googler taking the session, right? Okay, I will tell that about it later. Next one. Okay, this is me during the session. Next one. Okay, this is Android LAN. We visited it. There were different statues. So we took lot of photo. This is my favorite, like one of the favorite photos. You see that thing, the statue, right? Android statue. It is like yes boss, command me. I will go and do whatever you want. I was like, yeah, telling something. So this was my favorite photo. Next one. This is with Anthony Layton. Next one. So this is after that Google surprised us with this amazing gift. They gifted this brand new Ricoh Theta V to us. So Ricoh Theta V is the street view photograph, the top street view camera at that time. Okay, it will help us to record a video. That video will be converted into different photos, 360 photo, which will be posted to Google like a street view itself. So it is relatable, right? You can relate it with what you know, what I told earlier. I used to take a photo of video of roadside. I will make it like images. Then later, what I used to do, I will upload it into map, right? That thing, it will do it for myself. I have to take a video in street view. This will make it like different photos, 360 photo, and upload it. So I was quite happy with this one. I told about that experience in the street view session. So when they gifted, right, I went back to that Googler. I showed you, in the session. So I went back, I hugged him, I told him, thank you for this one. It will be really helpful for me. So next slide, can you see? Yeah, I was totally happy. You can see Tracy here on the left side. I never shouted like this. Not even in that gameplay, More than that, I shouted here. Next one. Okay, after that, we formed a Z. Z means when you stand into the told spot, it will form as a Z. This is the drone shot taken from the above. Then some activity happened. Next one. Next slide. Yeah. So I am at the exact Z ending now. You can see here Z end. This is the center. Okay. I don't know how to show. This is the Z here. This is the part. Okay. So I was somewhere here. Okay. Next one. Okay. After that, closing party happened. In closing party, right, there were gifts given to some of the local guide based on the impact on the different contribution. Few criteria was like meetup, superstar, highest viewed photo, highest places added, etc. So then we took photos and went back to the hotel. Next slide. You can see Ilangonana taking photo. Next one. This is during closing party. Hiroyuki here. Next one. Yeah, here the gift was given to Ilangonana for meetups to superstar. He hosts a lot of meetups, so they gifted him. It was good. Next one. You can see Anthony Layton for his. They gifted him for the best original application video. I think he made a song, some rap song or something like that for his application video. So they gave this gift as a best original video, application video. So many local guys was dancing in the closing party. It was good. Next one. So you can see me. Next one. Okay, leaving from the SFO. The next day, right, till that I was focused here. After the next day, I planned to buy some gift for my family. So I went and explored SFO. Man, that time I know most of the SFO. Okay, after exploring that much, right, I went all by myself. So then after coming back to our hotel, right, I told bye to my local friends. Then I traveled via Amsterdam and came back with so many gifts and so many memories. Oh, yes. I think the slide is over now. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you guys about my Connect Live and like visa experiences. Okay. Visa experiences means what happened. Once I got this like invitation mail, right? You got selected for Connect Live. After that, what happened? A few days later, Google has told us to, in the local guest team told us in the mail, right? Please apply for the apply for the visa. We can start the visa process. So I approached one travel agency. Then I applied for the visa, and I requested for the supporting letter. Google usually give us the supporting document, one document saying that Mr. Salman Nawaz is visiting Google Plus for the 1 week, and we will be like taking care of the expenses for the travel. Please give him the visa. In India, the visa validity is 10 years. So I applied for the visa. After that, what happened? I done one small mistake, guys. What I have done, right? I was busy with my office, so I applied for the visa quite late. Okay. So that problem, I will tell you what happens if you apply for the visa late. If you apply for the visa late, you will not get the opportunity to reapply again. Okay, if your visa got rejected first time, because I applied for the last time, what happened? Luckily, my visa got selected first time itself. If not, what will happen, right? I may have to miss the chance, because Connect local guest team has to process the like next step. So what happened? I applied for the visa at late. Okay. Then what happened? We have to pay some 12,000 rupees. In Indian rupees, I'm telling, 11,500 or something, $160. I went to bank, then created DD or something like that for $160. Then my appointment was booked for visa in Chennai. So it is a 2-day process. One day you have to go. You have to go and give your fingerprint photo and all. The next day they will take the visa interview. So I went to Chennai with my family. So one small thing I will tell you. What I had decided, right? Till that I was not having DSLR camera. I planned like I will if my visa got selected first time itself, what I will do, I will use the money what I have for my DSLR camera. I have saved some money for me, so I will use it in my 360 DSLR camera. If my visa was rejected first time, the second time I have to apply for in my own expense, right? Because Google will give us visa money for the first time itself. If your visa got rejected, it is up to you whether to reapply by yourself or not. If you didn't apply also, the first time amount Google will send it to you through online itself. Okay, I told you that I got visa amount in US. That means after that I will get it in US because my visa got selected. I told like I don't want to get here. I will come back and get to there. So what happened? First time they will give. So I thought like if my visa didn't clear the first time, I used my DSLR amount to reapply again. Luckily my visa got selected first time. I went to first day for fingerprint and photo. That day I went in casual dress. I didn't have any idea. Then next day, on that night itself, one thought struck me. That thought was like, why not to go in a pure formal dress for the interview? Okay, so it is like a performance, right? In the interview, you have to be proper. Okay, it is just a 5 or 10 minutes interview. You have to give your best there. So I decided like I didn't have any casual, like I didn't have any formal dress in Chennai when I visited. So I went to a textile shop, then bought one formal dress, then shoe, everything guys, totally shoe, socks and a shirt and everything. I got it with a formal dress. After that, I went to the interview with pure formal dress. Okay. Then like some 7 o'clock and all I went to interview. It was long queue. Then I standed. There were so many amazing people standing in the queue for different things, like for student visa, for visit visa, working visa and all. So I was like I was simply standing in the queue. I didn't have any idea. But let me tell you one thing. What I have planned, my hope for the visa interview that time is that I will go to the visa interview. I will tell whatever it is exactly. Okay. If he gives me the visa, it is okay. If he didn't give me the visa, I will accept it. Why? Because if he didn't give me the visa, there will be something wrong. So it is fine for me. In that motive, I went. So I will tell whatever it is exactly. Because when I Googled it, right, about visa interview, they told in the interview, like, see guys, you have to work. If not, they will not give the visa. Or else, if you have family in outside, they will not give the visa. But I didn't believe this one. You have to keep it straight. So they will agree. So when I filled the DS-160 form, right, it was some 6 or 7 pages. I literally filled it exactly whatever it is. So whatever it is, I kept it exactly there. So I'm working, this much year I'm working, there's nothing like that kept. In interview also I decided whatever it is I will tell. Later, the visa interview started. I went to inside. I went in that dress. My number called. I went to the counter. But nobody sitting in the counter. So he went for a break, I think. So he came. Luckily, let me tell you one thing. The guy who came, he was one US official, okay? So he was also in formal dress. So see here, since he was in formal dress, I am also in formal dress, something happened here. Okay, that is one plus point for me. Okay, if he was in formal, I am in casual, it might create some confusion, like he is not that much concerned about his visa interview like that. So he was also formal who took my visa. Some impression was good initially. Then let me tell you one thing. Now let me come to the question part. He asked me, why you want to attend this event? Why you want to go to US? He asked me. What I have told him, I told him that there is a program called Google Local Guide. I am being a local guide for some 2 years. So our work is to add photos to Google Maps and write reviews and all. And there is an yearly event happen in USA. So if for that event they call top local guides from different part of the world. From India, some 10 people selected. I am also one of them. That is why I am going like that. I told. So it was for me. It was like I am simply like inviting one local guide friend to a local guide program. So like that I told him simply. Then I gave the letter, the supporting letter to him. He told me not required like that. Then I kept it myself. Then he asked me the next question. He told me, okay, what are you doing? I told him I am that time I was quality assurance engineer. I told him I am a quality assurance engineer. I am working in Bangalore. So for 1 year. Then what I told, I am working for 1 year. So for this event I am taking leave and I am going to the USA like that. I told him, so that I cleared it. This is different, and what I am doing is volunteer like that. Then he told me, who will be paying you for this trip? Then I told him, the entire trip cost will be sponsored by the local guest team itself. The entire trip cost will be sponsored by Google itself. Then he told me, and I told him, see, you can see in the letter itself it is written. Then he asked me for the letter. He read the letter. It was clearly written. The expense will be taken care by Google. Then it created one good impression. Then he asked me, okay, you add photos also in Google. I told, yeah, I add photos also in Google. I review a place what I used to do, I review a place, I add photos and I add places in Google Maps. It will help people to navigate easily. Then he told, okay, that is good thing what you are doing. Yeah, your visa is approved like that. I was shocked. It was just some 10 minutes of conversation. I was like, thank you so much. Then I came back. I was very happy and I came back out. It was totally fun. When I'm going to conclude now. Before concluding, one small thing I will tell and conclude. What I have done right. I was alone. I came back. I was happy. There was an auto driver outside standing to this visa place. There was so many queue. That auto driver asked me, sir, visa, what happened like that? Since he saw me coming out of embassy, I told, visa clear. Then he told me, come with me. Then he put me in the auto. Then what happened, guys? All the way he was shouting. He was like, yeah, visa got my customer visa cleared, my customer visa cleared. Another auto was going, guys, on the right side. He was calling that auto driver and telling, see my customer, his visa cleared. He's going to give a treat to me. Then I paid some 500 rupees extra to him. So that mistake you guys don't do. If you clear visa, right, come back, don't say to anybody. So that is about my experience, yes. Okay.
Oh, congratulations, congratulations. You need to take even a breath.
Amazing. Salman, so beauty you told.
Very good. Very good.
Like
Interesting.
amazing, that was just amazing.
Fantastic. Oh, yes.
A big
Full of
Salman ended.
Salman is superstar.
Really awesome.
Salman.
Lifetime achievement award goes to Salman.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Keep
superstar
going,
Salman.
We are all happy, Salman.
Keep going, Salman.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Amazing, amazing.
We got a first-hand experience from you.
The story
Nice
was very
experience.
nice,
Yeah,
very nice.
very good experience. Did you share?
Really?
Yeah, that was quite encouraging too.
Amazing, Salman bhai.
Session
Amazing,
awesome.
amazing.
Thank
Eid
you,
Mubarak to
thank you,
everyone.
Salman.
The
Your
best
energy
session so
level
far.
from first and till
All
you know,
emotions, all your emotions.
Yeah.
yeah, Salman bhai getting emotional.
That's
There is no change in your energy level from the first and till the last minute. It was 45 minutes you took. It was amazing, amazing. I want to appreciate you.
Outstanding, outstanding that was.
Now we will also take party
Take a
from
glass of
Salman.
water. Drink some water.
So we are back, and let us give him a chance to answer your questions. My dear friends, let us start the question answer session. And Mr. Salman, you are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Over to Salman and our attendees. Please ask questions.
I actually.
Now, सलमान भाई
हाँ नील भाई
सलमान भाई अपने जहन में अभी सब चीज को काबू में रखो. आप लोगों ने सबको यात्रा कराई है. अब लोग आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे.
जरूर
So the
जरूर नील भाई
you have shown now, people are now more eager to ask questions. Okay, so feel privileged to answer those questions. Over to you.
Okay. So now Bijan Adams in that chat section asked me one question, like what are the gifts you received? Okay, so let me tell you the gift. In that gift, the main gift was the 360 camera. So the 360 camera cost in Amazon some 35,000. So they gave it at the time itself freely for us. It was the biggest gift. Then there were so many small gifts. The gift like some badges, chocolate, then chocolate, some flag, something like that. We got some goggles also. We got. I attended that user experience meetup, right? Additionally, so they gave me bottle also. So bottle we got, bag we got, so T-shirt we got. So these are these small things we got. So chocolate also we got a lot. So that is the thing. One main thing is that this 360 camera. So let me tell you guys one thing. Being a street view photographer, I earned so many money through being a street view photographer with that camera. So that is the some other part. So that is what I want to tell. That camera helped me create one like a part-time job for me itself. That is something.
Salman, you are from India regional lead, from Mapmaker. After that only you are a local guide. I am right now?
No, sir. My journey started on 2017 only, sir. So before that, no, sir. I was not knowing the program itself. So 17 is my journey started.
So before that, I think you talked with me on 2016 or 2017. I remember that.
Okay, sir. 2017 I could have talked with you, sir. I know you from that time itself. 2017 I know, sir. When I was searching for local guide, no, sir, from Tamil Nadu, you were the person I saw first itself. Wrote an application as a senior most local guide. Thank you.
Yeah, I am from 2015. Before that launching, I am a member from the local guide.
Yeah, sir. Your name come to me, sir. Exactly when I joined the program, no, sir. I saw your name initially. So
thank you.
I learned so many things. Next question, yes.
Salman bhai.
Hanil bhai.
So first thing after reaching to the America, since you have not traveled to the flight, you have traveled for the first time and reached there. What was the thing which were coming in your mind when you are skying? I mean, you are on the top of the sky of the glory. When you are on the air, first time in the flight, what was your feeling?
Yeah, sir. Sir, I can't able to sleep itself in flight because till Paris, no problem, because there are so many state right, so many countries are coming, Italy or something. We can see online itself in the flight what is happening, where our flight is traveling. After from Paris to US, sir, it was mostly through ocean. So I was like, it will be like Titanic, sir. If it goes down also, I will be shivering. So I can't sleep. And those air hostess, no, sir, they will be simply announcing something, sir. They are announcing simply. They are telling like, they could, if they are simply polite, no, it will be good. Every 20 minutes they are announcing something. I think like, it is like, jump out, something like that. So I was waiting for that. If they tell jump out, I am the first guy to jump. So it was good, sir. It was amazing.
After reaching to
Salman,
Connect, I first called your parents.
Sir, I called them. After reaching the hostel, I called them. So something happened, sir. I left my bag and all. I went back. Thanks to God, sir. Thanks to Almighty God. God helped me throughout the way. In Paris, no, sir, I lost the ticket. Ticket is okay, sir. If you lost the ticket also, not a problem. Main thing to say here, sir, we have to keep our passport safely. Wherever we go, our passport must be safe. Because if you lost the ticket also, if you give the passport right, they will take a copy of the ticket and they will give it to you. So I will suggest everyone, when they travel, they have to keep your passport safely. Luckily, my passport was safe. So ticket, they took a copy and gave it. So it was good, sir. So I called them after reaching the home, in the hostel. There I got Wi-Fi. Till that I can't able to call them. In Paris airport also I called them when I reached there.
Salman, what was your mom's reaction when you told you are going for Connect? First time, means you said you have never traveled and all.
Exactly.
So what
exactly,
was
ma'am.
their reaction when you told you are going for Connect Live?
Let me tell you, ma'am. Let me tell you. So first they were quite worried about me. I will tell you first thing what happened. When I told them in a call, I got selected to attend Connect Live. They thought I have to go with my money. They told me later. We were thinking that you will be telling us to spend the money and go to USA. So I told them after Google will be sponsoring. Initially they thought okay, God, this guy is coming up with a new plan. He will be telling us to book a ticket for US like that. They will be thinking first. So I told them, don't worry, Google will be giving me. Then my mom was very much worried. My dad is like nothing. He will tell you go whatever you want, you can do. He is like a close friend to me. My dad now, he told me, he taught me everything. So I'm thankful to my dad and I'm thankful to my mom. Mom was very much worried. Dad is like, you go, you do whatever you want. So he's really a close friend to me. So they were worried.
She must have given special instructions there to take care of yourself, mom. All moms are worried.
Yeah, mom, they were worried about my health. I was having little cold that time, so they were worried. But anyhow, I came back without any problem. My mom was very much worried. So still now she tell me, if you got selected next year and all, forget about it like that. I can't say you like that as she's telling.
Good. Thank you. And did you make friends, girlfriends there?
No, not even here. How come that?
That's a very far question for him, ma'am. Rosie, ma'am. That expression you caught while the Tracy's photo, that itself tells how much he has a talking ability with the girls.
Salman, I have something to say that when you reach first time in US and you were giving interview for immigration, so what was your feeling that time? You were nervous or you were cool? And one more thing, that what you explore along with the Connect Live experience, how was your travel experience? Because this is the first time you went to US or any new land. So how you explore it, and what was your experience to explore a new world? That was my question.
Voice breaking, right? Can you repeat there?
Sorry?
Actually, unable to hear you.
Not audible at all.
Okay. I am asking again that how was your experience when you reached first time in new land, new world, along with the Connect Live experience? How was your experience to explore the new world? And my second question was, how was your immigration interview?
Yes, Kashif bhai.
Can you hear me?
You were telling
Okay.
what explain.
I am connecting again. I think I lost the connection. I am connecting again.
And Salman, in another couple of he is going to come back, and in another couple of minutes we can invite our guest LGs to talk. Yeah, kindly answer Kashif ji and.
Hey Salman. Oh, hello.
Salman, good evening. Can you just log out and log in immediately? Hello, am I audible to you?
Sir, Salman has left.
Yes, sir.
He will be coming back again. We can hear you, sir.
Okay, okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we are able to hear you. Salman is not available now. Please hold your questions for a few seconds.
Yes, sure.
Meanwhile,
Yes,
I
sir.
request the missed out and newly joined local guides to introduce yourself. Vikram Bijoni.
Kashif ji, Ramzan Mubarak. And
Yes.
introduction you can start from you itself. Thank you. Jose, please.
Hello. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan, level 10 local guide, and we have more people from my country. I think they can introduce themselves also.
ईद मुबारक काशिफ भाई।
बहुत शुक्रिया, आपको भी ईद मुबारक, सबको ईद मुबारक, सब दोस्तों को, सब मेरे प्यारे भाइयों को, बहनों को, सबको ईद मुबारक।
Jose, can you request other?
Yeah, Vikram Bijoni. Sorry.
Hello everyone, I'm Vikram, level 6 local guide from Rajasthan, and thank you Salman bhai. Experience is amazing, just like a biopic movie. Amazing.
Thank you. We will convey your appreciation to Salman. Let me invite Sagit Azan. Sagit Azan, please introduce yourself.
Hello, did I miss something?
Okay, Sagit Azan is not responding. Is any other is missed out or newly joined? Please come forward and please introduce yourself one by one.
Hello, did I miss the question answer session?
Hi, I'm sorry I joined late. I promised that I would try and join due to I had class. But yes, I could not afford to have missed this meetup. My name is Alpha. I'm from the Gambia in West Africa, but I'm from Cyprus. Nice seeing some of my old friends here, Nita, Anil, and so many more. Good to see you all. Aisha as well.
Hello, Jaws. I'm
welcome.
from Pakistan. I'm local guide level 7. I'm very happy to join this meeting, a very interesting meetings. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Sagit. I would like to invite Ogechi from Nigeria. Please introduce yourself. Ogechi. Okay, I can see a comment from Raj Patel. Did I miss the question and answer session? Yes, it is happening now. Please, if you have questions, please raise it.
Okay. Can I get Salman on here?
Salman is as of now, he is not in this meeting.
Okay.
He will
I'll ask you.
join. Yeah, okay.
I came back.
So, can we get this live recording this of this recording? I really want this recording.
Yes,
And
We will be publishing the link for this. We have the recording. We will publish the link after the meetup.
and also, Salman bhai, I really want to see what video you shared for the application for Connect. I want to see your video, if I can.
Yeah, sure.
It's still there.
So, yeah, sure. So that video we can play it now, or else what I would suggest you is like
Later.
yeah.
You
can share the link in the comments.
You don't have
Please,
to show it
Salman.
now. Can I get it later?
Yeah, I will put the keyword of YouTube in the comment section. You can see.
Okay.
Salman, I have a question for you.
I think we should be a little fast, Karan. Others are waiting, so we have to respect their time. And in case if you need Salman again, we can plan it separately. So we have to respect others who want to say hello and log out. Let's give chances to them as well. Over to
DG sir, I have a question, please. Can I ask?
Please ask quickly.
So Salman, I just want to ask, like, what the main thing, like, what was your budget for the whole trip? I'm sure everybody wants to know this. How much the money you have carried?
How much the money I have it, right? That is the question.
Yes.
Yeah. So for the event, right, I didn't have to spend a single amount of.
So before proceeding, I request the team members to give me a minute to just say a thanks to our special team members who had given company with us. First, my regards goes to Naresh Darji, who took a lot of initiative to conduct the adminship for this meetup. He had been admitting many LGs, and thanks a lot, Naresh ji, for that.
It's my pleasure.
Yes, and next goes to Shriya, who has guided Evade and Anil and groomed up the teams. Thanks a lot, Shriya. And next is a team of our admin members who had gathered together to make it happen. The names I will call, and kindly, pass on your appreciation through chats. The first one to assist was Jason and Satiraj and Jose. Then, of course, Guru Krishna Priya and Govinda, Jasor, Karan, of course, Ria Matthew, and a few others also in the team was assisting us. So once again, thanks to all my admin team members. Almost 16 of them were supporting the whole planning and executing it. I really thank them. Now, my co-host, Evade. Evade had been very instrumental in moving this and reaching up to here. So, Evade, congratulations and thank you for your co-hostship. Then again, Salman, it was really you did an excellent job, and it was great. So I would say that we will once again request, and we will hear from you in the coming near future. Now back to the LGs, who my professional team members, whoever wanted to say something, please, and then over to LGs. My admin members want to say something?
Listen here. I would call upon Ivada to give a thanks to Salman for this wonderful presentation. Ivada, please, stage is yours.
Correct. Excellent.
Okay. Good evening once again. I want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate. I want to say a very big thank you to Salman. I think you did a very great job. I want to say thank you to all the attendees for their cooperation. You know, where I come from in Nigeria, especially the Yorubas, whenever you are at an event and you do something great, they'll say, okay, Now we want you to know those people that love you. Salman, is Salman there?
Yeah, Evade.
I want you to know the people that love
Thank you so much, Evade.
Oh, thanks,
Thank
dear.
you so much.
I want you to know the people.
My thanks to the core team first.
All
They
right.
helped me
I
a
want
lot
you to
in
know
shaping the
those.
presentation. Without them, it couldn't have been possible for this presentation.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you for
It's
your
my pleasure.
Thank you, Evade.
It's my pleasure. Salman, I want you to note the people that really love you. I'm going to ask 3 questions, and I will expect people to give the answer in the chat box. The first is, what did Salman carry along to the USA as a gift? What did Salman carry along as a gift? The second is, what was the biggest gift he received? He already told us that the gift was from the local guys team. So what was that gift? And the final one is, he said someone received a trophy for giving the best application video. What did that person do? I want to give my own vote of thanks first to Traveler G for everything, for making me a co-host, for helping me with the pronunciations. I'll say thanks to Ose Benjamin. You were a very awesome teacher too. I'll say thank you to Salman for your patience, for listening, for everything. To Anil Sir, Jason Sir, Shreya baby, I love you. And all the other members of the team. Madam Guru Priya, I think we all did a great job and I had fun. Thank you, Salman, for coming. And we hope in future when we invite you, you will heed us. Thank you.
Perfect. Went on well. Yeah, good. Congratulations. Let's,
Jose, you can start.
May I say something for 2 minutes?
yes, Ria, please.
Actually, as a friend of Salman, I have known him from Asia 1 and it was like my first meetup. So that's how I got to know about him. And it was a very nice to know about his journey because that's how we actually became friends. Until now, I guess the most humble person to share his experience, to share his all knowledge that he has about the maps, about the contribution and how he actually got selected. He just doesn't have any attitude or that ego that like I was selected, so I am very good and I'm proud of it. No, he's generally very down to earth and he is always there to help you all. It's not like that he's busy and after this meetup you cannot talk to him. Just have a word with him, you all will know how humble he is. And that's what I guess made him so unique to get selected for the Connect Live. Thank you, Salman Bhai, for having such a great presentation. I really loved it to hear it all, although I knew this thing, but still I enjoyed it hearing this again. Thank you, Travelogy, for making me a part of this admin team and going through the process of making a meetup so successful. I was really very proud of getting this so successful. Thank you.
Thank you, Travelogy, sir, for this amazing initiative. Really, thank you, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. Namaskar. No, you did an excellent job, so we are extremely happy and proud of you. Jose?
Yes. Okay. This is a vote of thanks time. Before I started my vote of thanks, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you, who generously helped us make this event come together to become a success. And now it's vote of thanks. Good evening, everyone. I'm honored and lucky to have the opportunity to give a vote of thanks on this special day. I liked most of Mr. Mohammad Salman Nawaz about his experience about Connect Live 2018. The way in which he explained this was extraordinary. Thanks for being with us and sharing all experience, Salman. Thank you. And I would like to thank our host, my mentor, TG, and also our co-host from Nigeria, Ewade, my best friend, and all core team members who contributed to organizing this meetup until the last minute. I must not forget to thank the participants as different categories from district level to international level, local guides, also for the Connect moderators. Finally, I again want to thank our inspiring speaker. Thanks for joining with us today and make this event very successful. Thank you. Thank you all.
Yes.
So still, if anybody else is there to be introduced, we can continue with the introduction.
Yes.
Yeah, mine it was left. I'm Rosie Kohli, local guide level 7 from Mumbai. Thank you.
Okay.
And thank you everyone, one and all those who worked hard for this awesome session. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have few new attendees. Gilbert Saas. Gilbert Saas, please introduce yourself. And then after that, Gilbert Saas, Mr. Saktivel, please introduce yourself after Gilbert.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Yeah, I'm Gilbert Jos from India, Tamil Nadu, India, and I am a local guide level 6. Thank you.
Thank you. Saktivel, bro. Saktivel?
Yeah, I'm Shaktivel here. And thanks for this opportunity and a nice session to Salmon. And I'm Shaktivel, local guide level 7, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Thank you.
Thank you, Saktivel. And I would like to invite Mukul Rahman. Mukul Rahman?
Hello, good evening. This is Mukul Rahman from Bangladesh. I am a level 8 local guide and I am very happy to join this meetup. Thank you, Salman Bhai, for your nice presentation and thanks to TG. Thanks.
Thank you, bhai.
Thank you, Mukul bhai. খুব ভালো লেগেছে তুমি এসছো। Thank you.
Okay. And the next, Satyamurthy. Please introduce yourself. Satyamurthy or. If anybody missed out, please come forward and introduce yourself. Please free feel.
Just before we conclude, we would like to just remind again. So can I call Gurupriya Madam to just give one more round of the announcement so that everyone can join us in our future meetup as well.
Thank you.
Yes, Jason. Yeah, that was a storming session by Salman, and really I felt even I have attended the Connect Live. It was so good and it was so awesome. And of the 12 monthly meetups scheduled for CL21 grooming, we will be having 7th meet next week. We have done completed 6 so far, and we will hold the 7th next Saturday on the 30th of May 2020. And of the 12 monthly meetup scheduled for CL grooming, we have completed monthly meetup 1 April. We had Archi Roja, and now we had Salman's Nawaz meetup. The speakers for June and July, we will have LG Ria Matthew on 14th of June, and we will have our LG Aslam Muhammad on in the month of July. Both of them will be sharing their experiences. On behalf of the core team members, I thank everyone for staying with us, and this is really an awesome feel after this meetup. And I thank Salman for his storming presentation. He has just poured out. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So we request everyone to join us for the weekly and monthly meetups in future as well. Thank you everyone for joining us. Have a good evening.
Good evening to all. Before that, kindly remember to join us in the recap, which should be published in a couple of days. Thanks a lot to all, and we know some of the very senior LGs have joined and they left, so we are unable to refer their name, including Mr. Jaron or many others. So let us not confuse. So and couple of other LGs, because of Eid, they have messaged me that unable to attend. True, but however, you kindly note that June, it is going to be the 14th of June and Sunday. Remember and join us. Let's also hear from Ria, who's a youngster, who was one of the two youngest in 2000. I think 19. Am I right?
18.
Yes.
18.
Ria, was it 18 or 19? Yeah.
Sorry, I'm able to hear you.
Which year did you attend? 2019. Yeah. So yeah, we would love to hear from you, and you can just address the crowd and invite them for your meetup.
So first of all, I would like to thank you all. The session was just amazing. I loved it. And the way Salman presented it, it was even more, lively. Loved it. And hello everyone. I am from Mumbai and I just can't wait for my turn. I'm really excited to tell you all about my journey. Thank you.
And while again thanking my admin team, core team, I would thank Ria Matthew, Aslam ji, everybody once again, and let us say good night. We can all log out.